Here's what's totally not different about Web2 and Web3 marketing. The first step is to know your product and to try to have product market fit. And the second
Mm.
step is to know your audience. And you're trying to find that right balance between offering the right product that you can describe really clearly to the right audience that you know really well and wants the product. And what you can't do is use Web3 to get out of the fact that you need to find product market fit for your product. If it's some kind of Web3 utility, who are the users of that? Do they actually want this? Are you solving a problem? Are you charging the right amount to solve the problem? If you're trying to bring them into a technical community, are you building technology that's going to interest them and move the space forward such that they would care to engage with it? Whether it's intrinsic or extrinsic incentives, are they the right ones for the people that you're trying to attract? If it's an NFT series, let's say it's a major brand dropping an NFT series, are there people in the Web3 community that would want this and that have said that they would want something like this? Are you charging the right amount for it if you're charging anything? If it's people who are already fans of your brand, have you done tests to prove that they would want an NFT or a digital collectible or digital good that does X kind of thing or X kind of membership? You can't use Web3 to get around needing product market fit. You can't get around having a good product. You can't get around having to know your audience as a marketer.
Tokens are not the product of the business. They are a tool that helps you amplify your product or business or helps you provide more utility or whatever it is to your product or business, but they are not the product itself.